Assalamu alaikum. My name is Malaika Zahra. Today I'm discussing about food spoilage. What is food spoilage? Food spoilage means the original nutritional value, texture, flavor of the food are damaged. The food become harmful to people and unsuitable to eat. Food spoilage characteristics: unpleasant smell, unpleasant taste, color changes, texture changes, and moldy. Types of spoilage: there are two types of spoilage: microbial spoilage, non-microbial spoilage. Microbial spoilage. This refers to damaged food that is caused by microorganisms like bacteria, molds, and yeast. Microorganisms can grow in almost all kinds of food products. Example of bacteria in food. Bacteria naturally living in milk will spoil milk in 2 or 3 hours if left at room temperature. Putting milk in the refrigerator doesn't kill bacteria already there, but it slows down the bacteria enough that the milk will stay fresh for a week or two. Non-microbial spoilage. This can be referred those changes in food which is not caused by the microbes. It involves some other factors for food spoilage. They can again be categorized as physical spoilage and chemical spoilage. Physical spoilage indicated by moisture loss or gain. Chemical spoilage, browning of fruits and vegetables. Classification of food spoilage. Food spoilage can be further classified into three groups. Perishable food. This group includes most of our important daily foods that spoil readily unless special preservative methods are used. Example: meats, fish, milk, vegetables, eggs, etc. Stable or non-perishable food. Foods which do not spoil unless handled carelessly. Example: sugar, flour, and dry beans. Semi-perishable food. If these foods are properly handled and stored, they will remain unspoiled for a fairly long period. Example: potatoes, apples, and nuts. Preservation of food spoilage. Food preservation is the process of treating and handling food with an aim to stop or slow down its spoilage while maintaining its nutritional value, texture, and flavor. Food preservation methods either kill microbes or prevent their growth. Some food preservation methods include pasteurization, dehydration, refrigeration and freezing, canning, using chemical preservatives, using salt, sugar, oil, or vinegar, boiling. Thank you.